Alright, Mustachio here, and buddy Jonathan. Now we go get supplies at Ken Tire. We work on big piece of shit loader, and we have good time. We make fucking drinks and get silly fuck shit faced, and then we put, you know, big comes turbo diesel and eliminate problem, and everything all better now. Anyway, see you at Ken Tire. Let's go be dumb people in there. What do you think?
Das ist gut.
Hello, Mustachio here inside Ken Tire. We're being a bunch of retards. Me, Johnny Boy, wrecking the place. I can see security looking for us. Let's go. Right. First thing we did, we take fuel filter off. And that's what it looked like inside. Not pretty. So we're guessing there's caca in fuel tank. So what we're doing now is we got extra lines and we have auxiliary fuel tank, and we're going to take this line off, which goes to tank. All right, well, we were rudely interrupted by Anthony, that son of a bitch. He calls himself Nostachio, but he's just ripping me off. I beat him up. As you can see, Johnny's taking that line off. Now we're gonna put new line from there into auxiliary tank that says gasoline, but we won't pay attention to that because that asshole is not here. Anyways, and that's not gasoline, that's diesel.
That's diesel.
Das is good, apparently. Anyways, that's what we do. We're gonna take the return. We're gonna put it in a jar on the side to see if there's more crap that comes out. But we're trying to see if problem is, you know, maybe pump wearing itself out. Probably not. What we think is caca in the poo-poo tank. I'm not pointing at Johnny's ass. But anyways, the fuel tank is in there. We'll empty fuel out into another big jar. Probably this tall, 45-gallon drum. Look, I should be Vanowide. I have great hands for showing things like, look, Camaro. Nobody working on it. Hey, la. Anyways, we'll do that, and we're gonna test drive around the yard. Hey, look at Jonathan's puppy, very comfy on my coat. Hello, Rosie. Say hello to YouTube world.
Oh, she's a star now.
Say hello. Look at you. Oh, cute and shit like that. Hey, the ladies that watch show will like you, puppy. Mustachio pet you on head. Very nice. Very nice puppy. Very nice puppy. Oh yes. Yes, yes, nice puppy. You like my hand? Oh dick. Oh dick. Oh no, Mustachio start to like you. Alright. We're here with loader. We got our lines hooked up, we got things hooked up. We got the clean bucket that fell on the ground thanks to Johnny. Way to go, ass licker. Anyways, we're gonna put bucket right there. Johnny's gonna jump up in the loader. He's gonna fire it up. Maybe we should open door or wait, I don't know. Anyways, we want to see if shit comes out of return side to see if the old filters were actually doing their job. If poo-poo comes out of here, we might have issue. But if nice or decent looking fuel comes out, then we're good to go. Don't put it in drive and kill me now. Okay. That's good right there.
Rosie! Stay sit, Rosie.
What the hell happened here? That is not supposed to look like that. Fuel is not supposed to look like Varsol. Well, we definitely have big problems here. We need to figure out what the hell is going on. We'll get back to you when we come up with something smart to think about to make us look more smart than we are looking right now. Okay, bye. Alright, we got sidetracked from our mission of fixing Lothar. Now we're on the way to pick up Daddy of gasoline. Because I'm not gasoline, I'm Mustachio. Alright, we're going to go look at a flatbed for a crazy camper project that we've got going on. That will start happening soon there. The old man got the camper all fixed up. And he's bringing it over to farm. He wants to bring inside so he can finish inside, but he finished fixing all out outside of camper. Now plan is to put flatbed on 5500 Ford, which I don't like, give me heebie-jeebies. But excellent idea though. We put a flatbed camper, space to put quads on back, and then we can use as ultimate camping vehicle. Excellent. Alright, after a fiasco of crappy fuel, we decide to put a separate return tank. Look, very fancy. Once again, not gasoline in here. That guy's an asshole. So, 2 separate tanks. We'll find out. We'll keep intake fuel coming in good, clean. Mr. Friend Luke show up. He has beer. Very dirty fuel, yes. Alright, this guy right here, he bought this flatbed, but we have to cut it off truck. So he has plasma cutting tool, and we're getting to town on her. Maybe since it's your deck, you could film.
Okay, hang on.
Yeah. Now Mustachio has safety glasses on head, which is unusual, but they're there only for aesthetic purposes.
Hey, how about doing that little butt shake there?
Mustachio not know what you're talking
Okay.
about.
Oh, c'est ça, hein? Did you take any precaution for the gas tank?
You don't know Mustachio well. Mustachio
It's from Russia.
Mustachio live life like an airplane. He just wings it.
It's from Russia. Russia has no safety. Damn communist. Broke it.
Didn't break nothing. I was just cutting shit. Now we're gonna cut you a bolt here. Pork sound means you went all the way through. Well, look at that. We got big fucking guest in shop today. Hey, Marcel, show up. All right, deck is ready to come off. Marcel, come here for inaugural deck off truck day. You know, usual. Hello, puppy. Hit button.
Good to go?
Good to go. The hitch is still fucked up, eh? You need to smash that. It's off, it just needs to be smashed in correct position. God damn it, that thing saw a very hot chick at boner. Look at that.
Good.
Bring it all the way up. Fuck it. The higher it is, the cooler it looks. Why can't the truck sit that high? Alright, we're pretty sure we could drive this thing out now. Yeah, you can get rid of this Ford. It's goddamn Fords.
Love the Fords.
Ford that only has balls when there's nothing on the back axles. Alright, Johnny make big discovery this morning on Big Loader. Hey Johnny, yes you did.
What's going on here?
Yeah, hello. Well, he took apart Pumpy Poo, and we found evidence of garbage blocking shit. Here, let me focus that in for you. That was inside fuel line. Like, what the hell was the guy thinking when they put the rubber in there like that? I don't know. But anyways, Johnny pull apart, pump apart to find out if there's more shit in there. So, and we just watch.
So that tank must.
What happened? All right, now we got them dialed in. We're cleaning up the last of the shit there. We're gonna move this truck to the back. We picked that up from that Steph guy, the guy who's got that big Chevy with the Cummins in it. Well, he had this for parts. This used to have the Cummins in it. He's gonna do something with that, but I got a nice tailgate for my puppy's truck. Or Gasoline's father's truck. Yes. Little scratchy scratch, but no big deal.